Welcome back to Summit Railway, everyone. As I was building this retaining wall, I dug out all that dirt and now it's in my way, so I have to remove it. With that said, I'd like you to welcome again. My name is Robert, I am building this garden railroad and today I'm doing lots of shoveling dirt. So as you can see, I already started. Right where I'm digging, it's a pile of heavy clay dirt, which I'm going to remove to another part of the garden. I can use some of the dirt later on in the garden railroad project. But for now it has to go away at this place. Here I am messing around with my GoPro. You can see this clay dirt is very heavy and wet, so it was sticky to my feet and to the wheelbarrow and made a great mess. Where I'm standing right now, this will be lawn again. After the dirt pile is removed, I will level off the ground and seed it, and then we will have a nice lawn next to the station area, which will be round about 2.5 meters out of the retaining wall to the lower side. And the rest of this area will be lawn. So I'm making good progress, and soon this dirt pile will be gone. Now I am spreading the good black dirt. There is a low point in the lawn, which you can't see on camera, but it's massive. We have a height difference of a few centimeters. So I'm shoveling the dirt in and smoothing it out with a rake. Then, there you go. That's the raking process. Smoothing it out, and then I will seed it eventually when the time is right. At this point, this is late February, so or mid-March, I don't know. I lost track. Now I'm getting ready to remove this walkway. The stones are laid in a sand base. They come out really easy, and as you can see, I'm cleaning them up right away before laying them to the side, because I will reuse those concrete stepping stones. I don't know when and where, but I will reuse them. Between those stepping stones you can see there are filler pieces. This is some, I don't know, some crappy stuff, but later on there will be small granite stones, and those are really nice. You can see them in a little bit when I put them away. So the removal process went really smooth. It took me about 15 minutes to remove the whole walkway. There will be a new walkway right where the old one was, but we will use some nicer stones and it will have a curve. You will see it later. Those are the granite stones I was talking about earlier. I'm picking them up and saving them for later for another project. There I go. Now I'm removing those little trees. One is behind me and the other one I'm digging out right now. It's pretty hard digging because of a lot of roots which come out of the bush behind the little tree. So I have to fight it a little bit, but eventually it comes out. From left to right there is an incline of about 40 centimeters. Which is funny because on camera it looks pretty level and smooth, but it isn't. And I will have to build a dirt ramp to smooth out the incline to about 3 to 4%. And now I'm at the second little tree, and this is coming out way easier than the first one. So as you can see, I'm just ready. There it goes. I can pick it up and lay it to the side. Right here I'm bringing in the third load of natural stones to finish building this retaining wall. So that's very exciting to me. Right here I'm picking out the first stone I will set. You have to have a good plan in mind in which order you put them stones together to get as little gaps between them as possible. So this stone I have picked out right now is very uneven, so I have to dig out a little bit more. Since I'm laying those stones in natural settled dirt with a little bit of sand beneath, I don't have any fear of settling in the future. I believe this retaining wall will be straight and level for many years to come. So right now I'm setting it very carefully, and now I'm backfilling. In front of the retaining wall I'm backfilling with the heavy clay dirt, and behind the retaining wall I'm using the good black dirt because this will be a planting area. Now I'm setting some more stones. Those are pretty little compared to the first ones. I can move them easily by hand on my own, and as you can see I'm laying them in a sand base. Yeah, now we change the perspective again. I'm setting the last stone in the line, and here I'm building out the corner of the retaining wall. Here you can see me digging again, this time for a stepping stone on the pathway. Where I am kneeing right now will be a railroad crossing, and there you can see me setting the stone into a sand base. Yeah, and it will be a nice step on the pathway. Now I'm filling up the corner and backfilling behind. And that's basically it. Here I am at the final step, backfilling the retaining wall. It is slowly getting dark on me, so this is a good time to end the video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will promise you the next project will be more interesting. We are so close to laying track in the garden, and I'm very excited. So stay along for the ride, and we will see us on the next one. Bye!